In 1907, Indiana was the first state to be able to legalize sterilization for what was called feeble-mindedness. And sterilization is also linked to the whole eugenics movement, where with eugenics, it is the thought that we don't want those that are the weak to be able to continue to, they would say, regenerate or have babies, because this would weaken the race. It was also thought that the Nordic and the white race was the superior race. We still deal with this foolishness today. Sterilization was first legalized in 1907 in Indiana. And when you see that law, the actual law for what is feeble-mindedness began to have more of a general description. But it could be anything, could be seen as being feeble-minded. In 1927, the Supreme Court, yes, the Supreme Court of the United States of America, approved forced sterilizations, and this assisted in the expansion of forced sterilizations. What also happened was more of a focus on people of color, and this is when you began to see more women being sterilized forcibly. Fannie Lou Hamer, who was quite a famous civil rights activist, spoke up about this because she herself was forcibly sterilized. She went into the hospital to have a surgery, and during that time, she was given a hysterectomy without her knowledge or her consent. Forced sterilization is still legal in the United States. It's also still legal in a number of countries around the world. That this is where all of the consent forms that we see today has come from, because of the coercive actions, the forced sterilizations that happen.